Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to allow camera access in Google Chrome. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, so what you need to do is head over to your settings app on your phone, scroll down and click onto apps, like so. And now from here you want to do a search for Google Chrome. So now click on Chrome. And where it says permissions, click into that, and as you can see my camera is allowed. So if I disable this, I'll show you how to turn it back on. So where it says not allowed, you want to click onto camera, click on allow while using the app or ask every time, choose which one best suits you. For this demonstration I want to click on allow only while using the app. And while you're here you can also enable your microphone and other settings inside your app permissions here. So yeah, that's it guys for this video, how to enable camera in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.